Hi, I am Karthik Rannan. I am the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Hi, I am Karthik Rannan. I am the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at PITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach. His teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me, so I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We'll wait for like 5 minutes to join others. Let them join us. Let others join in as well. We will be doing an activity today. We'll be diving into the practical smart contract deployment using Remix IDE as a compiler. So I hope you all are aware of the basic uh, infrastructure of the blockchain network. So, what features does the blockchain network bring? What are consensus protocols, different consensus protocols? What is decentralization? Uh, what is immutability? How is blockchain faster than the traditional database system? And I know this is not a lot of knowledge because even covering just the basics takes around like 30 hours, and consider this as a crash course. So today we'll be diving deep into the practical itself. We will be deploying our first smart contract. We will create our first cryptocurrency today, and I'll show you how the interface looks like. So first of all, I would like to know that if you are using a system right now, or have you joined it from the mobile? I hope everyone is using a PC or a laptop right now, because I want everybody to participate in this activity, and I will know from that, because we'll be creating our cryptocurrency. You will be sending me your cryptocurrency in the testnet network. So first of all, we need to install this MetaMask in extension. I have it already installed. Uh, After you install this MetaMask extension, we will head over to remix.ethereum.org. I hope everyone is on the same page. So there are different kinds of workspaces. This is a compiler, just like Visual Studio or C++ compilers. So yeah, it's similar to that. This is just a compiler. This is a smart contract. This is a basic smart contract. You can find it. These three contracts will be available to all of you in the contracts folder. So this is to understand how the blockchain network system works. Uh, First of all, this line is always necessary, SPTX license identifier GPL 30. Otherwise, it will give you an error. Similarly, we need to define the version of the solidity. So right now we are using 8.2 and it will support till 0.9. So this is pragma solidity. These two lines are similar in every smart contract, just like C++ has uh, hash include iostream.h or hash include conio.h. So this is similar to that. Now, contract, when we are defining a contract, this is a solidity programming language. This is similar to C++, JavaScript, TypeScript. This is also an object or oriented programming language. So this is a basic smart contract for a storage. This is our interface. Let us go to the home. So this is what it will look like. We can use plugins. This is Cookbook, test and compile, sourceify, and write the contracts. Solidity, unit testing. So it really depends what we want to develop. We want to create a wallet. It is very easy to create a wallet. Just use this template. Or if you want to create your own ERC20 token, it is very easy. But first of all, we need to understand test network. Uh, so, so go on to the Sepolia faucet after you have installed your MetaMask. You will have to create an account and just enter your let's go to the MetaMask. Why is it acting weird? Okay. So after you have installed this MetaMask, you will have to go to the settings, go to advanced, and you will have to click on show test networks. So the test networks are available. Now this is the Ethereum mainnet, which is the default option, which is set on, but we are using Sepolia. So we will select Sepolia. Now you can just sign up and enter your wallet address, uh, which is this. Just add it here. I'm not a robot. Send me. So I have already used 0.5 Sepolia ETH, which is already in my wallet right now. As you can see, 0.5 Sepolia Ethereum. So we need this Sepolia Ethereum for the testnet deployment. We cannot deploy any smart contract. There is a test network in the remix itself. Let me show you. For example, let's just go to this smart contract storage. And now we will go to compile. Now this has been compiled. This provides the compilation details, the bytecode, ABI metadata. You can just copy it. Now here you can use the test network of the remix itself. Uh, I will be deploying it on the test network of the C. Now the Ethereum has been deducted. So for every deployment, the test network will also need fake Ethereum as a form of gas fees. So this is our deployed. This is just a basic storage contract. So what it does is it stores a number. Let's say 25. Store. It again used gas fees. Now, when I want to retrieve this number, obviously it will give me the output 25 because I stored the same number. Similarly, I can store any other number, 40, store, and it has been stored there, and the gas fees has been again deducted. To retrieve that number, simply the output is here, and there is no gas fees deducted. It is the same. So today we'll be compiling our first test token. So you can name it as your own token. We'll be doing this activity. So it's my name, Aadhaar. So this is a code of a test token. Let me copy it and send it to you as well in the chat. Okay, so it won't go in the chat. I'm sharing my screen right now again. Okay, so it won't go into the chat, but what we can do is download. So I have this file downloaded. I think I can share this file on chat. Okay, so I've shared the file with you. This is a basic token smart contract. IERC20. This is with an interface. So what is the difference between ERC20? This one will actually show you on Etherscan. This will be visible to you on testnet of Etherscan. So this is Sepolia Test Network Explorer. Now I'll be compiling my token. I'll show you. And I want you all to create your own token as well. So just change this my token to your name. Let's say this. Constant decimal symbols will be always 18 because to it is generally shown in correlation with the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin's price is higher and the decimal symbols will be 18 or more. It cannot be less. Now again, I will just go to compile. It has been compiled. Now we are going to use the test network. We are going to actually deploy this token. So now we need to connect MetaMask for the test network. So I have installed the MetaMask. You can also just go to the Google Chrome extension store, download the MetaMask, set it up, and then I selected MetaMask. Okay, so this is not deploying here. Okay, so it has not inherited a token. Okay. We use the normal Shanghai. Will it deploy? No, it will not. Okay. What you can do is just go to the ERC20, my token. Okay, this is a simple token. Just change my token to your name, symbol, whatever you want. Now we go here, we compile it. It has been compiled, deploy it. The deployment has been successful here. And you can see the address vendor. We can see transfer from and everything. Total supply. There is no total supply because we have not mentioned any total supply. We have imported a contract from the OpenZeppelin library. So now we use the injected MetaMask provider. We deploy it. And the gas fees is high. So this much Sepolia, I have a lot of Sepolia, so no issue. Confirm. No, it must be on Etherscan. Let's see. Okay, so this is probably mine. Let's search using taxation hash. Yeah. So it is here. This is available on the test network. So this is a testnet transaction, and I can also send some tokens to you. So the creation of this is the block, this is constructor, this is the transaction hash, status executed block hash, block number from to my token. This is your transaction hash. Again, you can search it using this. Now let's go to the MetaMask. Okay, so I have received refresh list, import tokens. Now token contract address. This means our smart contract address. So what will be our smart contract address? This is it. So just copy this smart contract address. Token contract address, token symbol, and it already took the information. Now I have 0 tokens. Now let's go back to the remix. Let's go to the cookbook. Now, this is a plugin where you can create different kinds of tokens. This is simple ERC token. Let me show you. So here we just need to change parameter name. Again, same. We just need to change the name. Token name, let's say Aadhaar, or let's say XLR. Symbol EXR. symbol name EXR, total supply, one zero 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 zero. So there are 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Let's go to- Okay, so the total supply there is a total supply error. Let's reduce it to 18 decimals only. Still, it is giving me an. There is a GPT installed inside the. Okay, so there is no comma in the mint function. But there is no minting function. Okay. Let's take another contract. Let's take a burnable contract. So just change the name, total supply. Uh, there was a earlier token. Let me check. There are too many tokens. Public virtual returns. This one is the burnable. Six, seven, eight. This will probably also compile. Yeah. Where was the token generated? Yeah, probably this one was it. No, no, no. This one was not it. Okay. We don't have it, but we cannot swap it from here. That is not test network. Where was our deployed contract? This is it. So now this is the contract creation. You can just copy this address and then we can swap it. Okay, we cannot swap tokens on this network, but I can send Sepolia at let's say 0.2. Okay, this is a contract address. Yes, please. Any questions? You can write it in the chat box. We also have this hard hat provider. Not this one. This one. So this is also a test environment. You can use hard hat runner hardware hat network. You can also install it in your VS Code. Uh, these are the steps. You can just go to the official website of hardhat.org. Yes, please. Any questions? So we deployed it. This is the test network. The token has been created. The token is there, but we have zero tokens here. Um, This is not it. This is not it. Where is that website? This is a document. Okay, so they have this. Yeah, this is the website. Connect your wallet. MetaMask. Next. Next. Okay, so we do not have Ethereum here. Now, Chroma Sepolia as well. So we already have the faucet. But it will only work for, see, going to this is just the test network. You can deploy it using actual Ethereum in your wallet, and it will be actually listed on the Etherscan website easily. And this token will be available to swap on Uniswap. So if you pay the gas fees, you can start trading on tokens. You select, for example, this was our smart contract, but this is just deployed on the test network. Now, what we can do is, where did it go? What's the burnable one? What is it not deploying? This was our token, right? This has been already deployed. Compile and deploy it on the test network. Transfer to name and send. Support run. This is a gas fees issue. I can simply just send some Ethereum on this MetaMask, and I can simply just deploy it on the mainnet. But there is no option to swap this. Okay, we have the Sepolia. We already did the transaction. We are here. Check previous balance. So this is our contract. This is the ABI and bytecode. Token transfers. There are no token transfers. And the ETH balance is 0. That is why. Okay, so this is your activity. At least create this. I will also show you how to create it on the mainnet in the tomorrow session. I will send some Ethereum and I will actually deploy it on the mainnet. But meanwhile, actually just import this contract. I'm sending this contract to you. Copy and paste. And after you deploy this contract, it must show on the Etherscan, and just send me the contract, smart contract address of the Etherscan, from the Etherscan or from the Remix ID itself. So what is the process? You need a MetaMask, a wallet app. I'm sharing this code on the chat as well. So just change the name. You can just change the name and create a token, your token, and it should show up on the Etherscan. There are no token transactions, so let's not do any transactions. It will be an issue. So just go to the faucet, Sepolia faucet. Connect your MetaMask with it. For example, you will have to go to the Sempolia network and then just copy it and paste it. And after getting the Ethereum, go to the Remix IDE. You compile the contract. After compiling it, you deploy it. And once it is deployed, it will be there, or you can delete it and deploy it again. So this is the test run environment for the Remix itself. So you can do the transactions here as well. Some ether will be reduced. You can just add any random addresses. But when you want to connect it with the MetaMask, you want to deploy it there. And we have already deployed it. We can deploy it again, but that's not the point. This is just the process. This is very easy. After you have created your token, it should go to the import token, write the contract address of the token, and it will be here. So either you can, right now you have to do this activity, either send me the screenshot of the wallet where you have this your name's token created, or you can send me the smart contract address. And if you have any issues, please let me know. I hope everyone is doing the activity. Go there, compile the smart contract, deploy it, use the injected provider MetaMask, and the token should show up there. If anyone has issues like the token is not showing up or it is not showing up on Etherscan, let me know. Please let me know. Everyone has to send me a screenshot of the wallet at least where you have created the where you have deployed the smart contract on the test network, or send me the smart contract address, which is the contract's address. I'm just stopping my video while you send me this smart contract address, but please do it fast. It is just a 10-minute work. This is a token which we imported from the OpenZeppelin library. I can show you. Let me just show you the OpenZeppelin library as well. So here is the library. Start coding, but here you can simply create what kind of token you want. For example, ERC20, token name, bar, token name, ID, symbol ID, pre-mint if we want to pre-mint, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this is burnable to permit license MIT. Yeah. So if you want to create it with a pre-mint, you can simply use this code. Now I am again adding another token. It should show here creation of pending. It is there. Now view on Etherscan. Now the contract creation has been done. So this contract has been created. Now, as we have it a little bit of pre-minted. Using this should show up on the MetaMask. Okay. So now tokens, import tokens. Again, I will add the smart contract address. This is the new token. Import. Now I have the balance. Now I can also send it to you on your test network. So you can either show me the smart contract address deployed or send me the tokens itself. So I have created my own cryptocurrency. These are Aadhaar tokens created on ERC20. And this is my address. If you want to send me tokens, uh, send me the tokens plus the smart contract address. I'll share my wallet address as well for the test network. So if anyone has a test network connected and you want me to send these tokens, I can send it to you just by your wallet address. So I'm just waiting for you to create your and deploy your smart contract. Please try and do this as fast as possible. And if you are facing any problem, any issue, just let me know. Write it in the chat box. Any questions? Because we are right now not going in depth of the Solidity programming language, because it will be too much and I won't be able to cover all of it. And so I wanted to make it productive. So you know how to create a token right now itself. Publish it on Etherscan and then show it up on the MetaMask. So I hope everything is clear and you are doing the activity right now. Are you able to deploy a smart contract? Okay, I'll wait for another 5 minutes. I'm waiting for all of your messages on chat for your smart contract address or the screenshot, or you can just send me the tokens and I'll import it using the smart contract. And if you are facing any issue, please let me. You can let me know if you want me to take you through any step again, like connecting to the test network, if you are unable to connect to the test network, or if your token is not deploying, giving you any kind of errors, and you already have OpenZeppelin to create any kind of token. You can add the features, and you can also add upgradability features. You can add flash minting as well, voting feature as well, vulnerable, possible, mintable. So burnable token is a hyperdeflationary token, as I previously told you. You can just copy to and open in Remix and just simply compile it. And after going to the Remix, go to the after compiling it from here, go to the injected provider, MetaMask, and then deploy it. It will show up on Etherscan like this. Yeah, so please try to send it before the end of the session because I wanted to discuss a few more things with you, such as open source platforms and other kind of features and techniques and some other projects as well. So this is just a simple basic token. Hyperdeflationary token projects are always there, and wallet projects you do get in the Web3 space. So yeah, error is coming. Okay. So just copy the token code from openzeppelin.com, this website. Sharing the link. And let's say we want the permit and burnable, and we want the pre-mint it to be any amount. So this is the code. Just copy this code. It should not give you any error. But change the token name. Make sure to change the token name so that I can know whose token it is. So try to keep it the token name as your name. So I know who all have created the tokens. So yeah, I'm just waiting for you to deploy the contract. I'm here if you need me. Just send me a message in the chat app, and I'm expecting your smart contract addresses soon. Rahat is getting any error. Why is it not getting deployed? Any error? or did you add the Sepolia test network and the Ethereum? Probably it is a gas fees error. One alert that it is abstract contact. Can you send me the screenshot of the code file as well? A screenshot of the remix itself. You can also directly open it in remix. And it should compile. Okay, so I see you have not imported the other library. Injected Web3 environment. Yeah. Are you using Goerli test network? You are probably the environment isn't correct as well. And the contract is also not ERC20. Okay, so deployment is an issue. Shanghai works. So if you are using probably Goerli test network, yeah, it is working with the Goerli as well. Creation of my token pending. It's done. The contract address should be the correct one, my token. Also use the injected provider. If you are using Goerli, you can use Goerli as well. That's not an issue. You can both work great. Where I can show you Goerli offset as well. So similar to Sepolia, you can just, I'm not a robot, sign up and send me Ethereum. but it sends you only 0.02 Ethereum a day. Sepolia gives you 0.5 Ethereum a day. And that is why I went for the Sepolia one. Any other questions? Like, are you able to deploy it right now? Is it still giving you an error? Make sure you choose the right token, which is this one. And from OpenZeppelin, you add the burn. See, the burnable tokens, because people generally invest in hyperdeflationary tokens. That is why I will suggest you to create a burnable token. And this is the pre-mint. You can either pre-mint it or add a mintable feature. Okay, sure. If your network is slow, those who will try later, please do make sure to send me your smart contract addresses, and send me or either you can send me a screenshot of your token created in your wallet. Both will work. Like in your test network, the token should show. Either it should be zero or either it could be more tokens. That doesn't matter. But please, those who are able to do it right now, please send the smart contract address or the screenshot in the chat so I can move on ahead with the some theoretical part which was remaining. I thought this activity would be really helpful and it would create interest in you, that you are creating your own cryptocurrency. And this is really cool thing to like even show it to your friends and people, flaunt them that you can create your own cryptocurrency. And in the Web3 space, you will also find many people who will request for such projects who are which the tokens where the tokens are hyperdeflationary. It can be ERC20, it can be BEP20, it can be anything. But most of the uh, tokens created on the PNB smart chain are scams. And also, I want to give you a disclaimer, because I'm teaching you how to create this token. please do not use these tokens to create any kind of scams, add any kind of liquidity pool, reducing or uh, add any function which allows you to take out the liquidity. So I would just suggest you, because there have been a lot of scams. I can show you the crypto scams in 2022. So there are a lot of scams, phishing scams, romance scam, how to not this one. Crypto scam tracker. No. Crypto scam. Widgets. So these are the some list. Ranium, Nodium, First Mining, Bitcoin. They are all fraudulent trading platforms, and some people even create. In this is called pumping and dumping. So you can create cryptocurrencies and help people invest in those coins and then take out liquidity. So do not do that, please, because blockchain is a beautiful technology and people are doing scams in the name of blockchain, and it is really giving the blockchain technology a bad light, bad spotlight. While as from your basic understanding, you must already understand that it is a beautiful technology and how it can help us maintain privacy as well and reduce transaction costs and make it much faster as well. So this is the attendance form. So no one has been able to deploy the contract yet. Want me to take through you the steps again? Just let me know. What kind of issue are you facing right now? Please, I'm waiting. Facing any issue? Okay, so I can send you the steps. Uh, I can even navigate you through the steps again. First one is installing the MetaMask. After installing the MetaMask, go to settings, advanced. We turn on the test networks. After we turn on the test networks, we go to Sepolia, and you will see that you don't have any Sepolia. Then we go to the Sepolia faucet. Here you create your account. I have already created it. Now go to your wallet address, just copy it, and here paste it. I'm not a robot, and send me that, because I have already get that for today 0.5 ETH. I won't be getting it. Now after getting the ETH, go to the OpenZeppelin. Here is the name of the token. So name will be my name, Adar. Let's say Addy, because some friends call me Addy. And you can simply open it in Remix. Go ahead, click on that. It will show you the complete contract here. You can simply compile it. Compilation details are here, which are not necessary for you right now. Then go to the injected provider MetaMask and simply deploy it. Because I have already deployed this contract, I won't be deploying it again. So I'm rejecting it. You just have to confirm it. After confirming it, after you have your smart contract deployed, uh, you will get an option here that you can view it on Etherscan as previously shown. Then after going it on Etherscan, you will get the smart contract address. And after you have your smart contract address, you just have to import tokens, write the contract address, and it has already been added. I hope it was pretty clear. And if we don't use this test network, you just have to have some Ethereum in your wallet. And when you want to deploy it on the mainnet, just select Remix VM mainnet fork. And it will take some time. Now you can deploy it on the mainnet. Creation pending. Now it is on the mainnet. Let's see if it is on the mainnet. Should not be on the, because we did not pay any gas fees. So this is another project. This is just one click issuing tokens. You can also select token factory, name for your token, example, supply amount, and create a token. And then it will ask you to create your wallet app, and you can also deploy it using this app. But sorry, there it will be on the test network. Injected provider MetaMask. Please, I want most of you who are attending this session to send me this. And this is a really cool thing to do as well. This should interest you as well. I hope you are all doing this right now. I haven't received anyone's smart contract. Okay, I think most of you are probably working on it. If you are facing any issue, you can right now ask me. And if you are not able to Okay. So if you are not able to create it right now, probably because some of you might have joined via phone or any other device. So I want the token created by tomorrow. In tomorrow's session, I want to make sure that everyone has created a token on their test network. Once you create it on your test network, it is very easy to launch it on the mainnet. It is very easy. You just have to pay some amount of Ethereum gas fees. It will ask you for some money. You are not able to get the Sepolia Ethereum. What is the issue? Are you getting any kind of error message? Showing pending on scan. Yeah, sometimes these things happen. If you are not able to get the Goali Sepolia from the Sepolia faucet, you can go to the Goali faucet. It will give you less Ethereum, but it will be enough to at least process one smart contract deployment. Try this one. If that doesn't work, there is another thing called Sepolia mining. So if you have any problem that you are not able to work with the not you are unable to receive the faucet, so we have the proof of work faucet as well, where you can simply go ahead and mine it. So I'll show it to you. So for example, this is my account. This is my address, copy address, resend Ethereum, start mining. So now we are mining Sepolia Ethereum as well. Now this will be added in my wallet too. This will increase over time. Okay, link. Uh, Copy link address. Here it is. And now if I stop mining it and I want to claim reward 0.019 Sepolia Ethereum, I just claim rewards and you will see that 0.19119 Sepolia will be increased as well. Yeah, it has been confirmed and it should now reflect it in my MetaMask account. See, 0.5 is the maximum. Now it is increased to 0.58. So you can also mine the faucet if you need more. I hope I was pretty clear. I see the participants going down. Probably they are going to do it tomorrow, but I want everyone to please create it. Sapoli Ethereum, you can even mine it. Go to the Goerli faucet or any other faucet app. Uh, Also, I wanted to discuss alchemy. This is where is alchemy? Okay, so you can share me the screenshot or the work via. I will ask probably from the XLR team to create a WhatsApp group or something. You can share the work there. Or you can add me directly. Everyone can add me directly. Just WhatsApp me the screenshot or the screenshot of the smart contract and with the smart contract address and the token screenshot. I need these two things. I just need these two things. And it's better if we all create a group and you send it over there because I will get a lot of individual messages. So yeah, I hope let's end the session for today because the participants are going down as well. And I hope I was pretty clear on this. And but I didn't get a good response. I didn't receive the smart contract addresses. But I hope you are all able to deliver it tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll be discussing some things about hard hat, how to install it, and we will also talk about how to use your VS Code. We can also use VS Code. We can add dependencies. So these are different plugins. You can search for extensions to configure it. Okay, I'll clear these things later in the tomorrow's session because already most of the participants have left. So yeah, we'll talk about the VS Code dependencies. We'll talk about the hard hat and some more tools and plugins. And I expect everyone to deploy the smart contract by tomorrow. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. And I think it was a productive session. I think you'll be able to create your cryptocurrency and you'll be able to show them to your friends or other people and add it in your portfolio as well. You can add it in your GitHub portfolio as well. So yeah, that's me signing off for today. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the training. Let's meet tomorrow again at the same time.
Yeah, thank you, Adar.
Thank you.
Guys, I hope you enjoy the session. Any queries, please let me know in the chat box. And I'm sharing the link. Somebody is telling that link is not opening, but I don't know why it's not opening. For all, it is opening. It's working properly.
Also, Chandana, please, can you make a WhatsApp group where everyone can send me the screenshots and the smart contract address?
Actually, we have a WhatsApp group.
Okay, you
I'll,
already have a WhatsApp group.
yeah, like I will contact with you later. Okay? Okay, I
Okay,
will join in that.
that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. So I'm signing off for today. I hope everyone, please send me the screenshot and the smart contract address for the test network. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Adar. So I hope there is no more questions as well in the Zoom and YouTube. Okay. For today, we'll wind up the session. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day for the program. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for the joining. Have a